electricians, current demands.
Right.
Mike and his crew been with me 15 plus years. He does all the service calls. He's doing generators now. And like he says, it's current demands. Your demand is electric, call current demands. He's out of Cartersville. He's got like 8 trucks on the road, 7 trucks on the road. Don's been with him 20 years, 15 years. Don's like my brother. Comes on the job. He's doing the jobs now that we did 15 years ago.
Wow.
So his wiring is what we roughed in.
Yeah.
Now we're altering it.